So I am in the process of preparing a tartiflette, which is a very famous dish in France. But the main ingredient for the tartiflette is the Reblochon, the cheese. The Reblochon is extremely difficult to find in the United States, difficult to find and very expensive. So finally we found the brother of the Reblochon, which has the same texture, the same taste, and that's great for making your tartiflette. Or you can obviously eat it without eating a tartiflette. And his name is the Willoughby. The Willoughby is a cheese in Vermont, and it has the exact same taste as a Reblochon. So this is a rare find, but very easy to find in your local supermarket. And it took us a long time to figure out where to find a cheese, an American cheese, that could be used for making that French dish. At this stage of the preparation of the tartiflette with using the Willoughby, I have at this point cut in half the first Willoughby and put those two halves upside down on the potatoes, the ham, and the onions, and that will be half of the recipe. What will come next is to finish with another layer, so basically we'll be repeating the same process using a second Willoughby. Voilà. So now it's time to put the tartiflette in the oven. The last stage that you have seen is I was pouring some broth with some white wine onto the second layer, and I will put that in the oven for about 15 minutes and it will be ready. It's now time to get the tartiflette out of the oven after those 15 minutes. Very hot. Very, very hot. It smells super good. And here it is. There we go. So, we have all the layers of the Willoughby. You can see the cheese here. It's fully melted and it's ready to be eaten. But think that the Willoughby can also be eaten as a cheese, you know, just with bread. So you don't have to make a tartiflette, obviously. Now let's see what we have. Let's see how good that is. Let's see. Make sure I have everything. Superb. You think you're in the Alps. That's awesome. So now you can see the finished dish, the tartiflette. What I have poured just before putting in the oven was the broth with the white wine, and it stayed in the oven for about 15 minutes, and it's now fully cooked and ready to be eaten. So bon appétit, Enjoy and thank you for watching.